Biko, etwaghị nwa n'ụlọ. Ozi ọma ka o segoro ụwa. My dear friends in Christ, there is a ring of definitiveness in these words. Finally, the door was closed. In the first place, I want to remark that our attitude to death defines our core beliefs. What we do to avoid death or prepare for death, and what we do when someone